Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a new TIMEX watch that I just ordered from Amazon. All right, this is a TIMEX Ironman Classic 30. Let's see if I could get it out of here without breaking it. All right, so this is the box it comes in. Nice little presentation box. TIMEX, true since 1854. All right, so this is a 30-lap memory, countdown timer, customizable alarm, and 100-meter water resistance. I actually got this to replace my old TIMEX. Love this old watch, but I've got some damage on it, so it's time to throw this thing away and get a new watch. So we got a little bit of an attachment here. Get rid of that. All right, here we have it. These watches have been around for a really long time, super popular. Let's go through the functions real quick. We have our chronograph, timer, could set alarms for occasions, alarm 1, 2, 3, back to time. What I love about these watches is how easy they are to set up. Example, if I want to set up a timer for 10 minutes, I hit the set button, hit next, press this button, whichever digit is flashing, that's what you're setting. I can hit this button, next, to hit the next function. My choices are stop at the end, repeat. I can hit next or done at any time. Very easy to make the digits go up or down because I have the plus and the minus. I love that about this watch. Really easy to set time very precisely. And you can hit done whenever you're ready and then go ahead and set your timer. So really easy to use. One of my favorite things about this watch. And one of the reasons why I got it again. I also love the color of this watch. I love the blue, the bright green. It's a lot more fun than this watch. I think this watch I had probably a good 10, 15 years maybe. It's been through a share of abuses. Never had any problems with it in the past. I will say the only thing that ever broke was the band holder. I had to buy another cheap band and slip it over this. That's the only thing that has broken. I think it broke maybe twice or so. That's the only weak part. Had to replace the battery a couple times, and then finally, through all of the abuse I put it in, it broke right here. But it's a great watch, and I think that this new aesthetic will be a great replacement of my old watch. Screen is about the same size, practically all the same features it looks like over the last 10 years or so. Overall, just a little bit bigger than this other design, but not much bigger at all. The aesthetics are also, I'd say, the same, similar aesthetics, a little bit more angular than the previous version. But I think my favorite part is just the colors. I actually spent a little bit more just to get this color scheme. For whatever reason, these TIMEX watches have different price points depending on the color scheme. I have no idea why that is. I don't see any rhyme or reason with them, with the different prices for the different color schemes, but it is what it is. This is a great little watch, pretty basic. No surprises here if you've already owned one of these in the past. It does not appear as if there's anything substantially different between this version and maybe what you would have received in the past. So really happy with the watch. Double thumbs up.